Friendship bracelets can be made almost anywhere at any time. Personally, I like to make them in the summer because that's when I have the most time on my hands. Also, during the summer, I counsel at a church camp in Nebraska, and almost everybody's making friendship bracelets, no matter the age or the gender. I also know being a poor teenager is very hard. So you could make these bracelets and give them to gifts as friends or family, or to friends or to family members. It's just kind of up to you, or you could keep them for yourself. And so today I'm going to talk to you about the materials needed to make a friendship bracelet. I'm going to talk to you about the bracelet making technique, and I will talk to you about what to do when you're finished with your craft. Okay, well, some of the materials you will need is some thread, and it looks just like this, and you could purchase it at either Hobby Lobby or Walmart, and it's really affordable. And then the second thing you will need is some tape or something to hold your bracelet in place. And tape is most convenient for me, or if you're waiting in line, like you could have your friend just holding the bracelet for you as you make it. And then the third thing you'll need is a comfortable working space. Personally, I like to work at a table or a chair because that's just the most comfortable for me, but you could work standing up or maybe sitting down. It's pretty much up to you. Now that I've talked to you about the materials, I'm going to talk to you about the technique itself. So here I have thread, and I've chosen 4 colors because as you're starting out your bracelet, you're not going to want like 10 colors because that'll be super hard. So I have 4 colors here, and I took one string and I made it a little bit more than arm's length, and I folded it in half so there's like a loop and a knot at the top. So I'm going to take my string, cut it down, get a couple pieces of tape so it's secure here. And I will take my colors, and you're going to want the same colors together. So you're going to want orange with orange, obviously, and then you're going to want brown with brown, and you're going to want pink with pink, and tan with tan. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your first color, which is orange. You're going to make a basic 4-knot, and a 4-knot, for those of you that do not know what that is, it is just a 4, and then you grab it under, and then you tie it to the top, and do that once, and you're going to do that twice on the first pair of colors, which is the brown. And then once you've done that twice, you're going to set that aside. Then you're going to move on to the pink. Then you're going to do the 4-knot again with the orange. 1, 2, maybe 2. And then you're going to take the tan. You're going to make a 4-knot once more. 2 times. 1, 2. And obviously there aren't any more colors in the line, and so you're going to put this last, and then you're going to repeat the process with the brown color. And you're going to make a 4-knot on the pink again. And just for the sake of time, we're going to pretend I'm finished with this. And when you're complete, it'll look something like this. It won't be as thick because with this I used 6 colors instead of 4. And so when you're finished, you're going to want to tie it off to secure the thread in place. And with this one, I tied a button at the end so it's easy to take on and off. And then now that I've talked to you about the bracelet making technique, I will talk to you about what to do with the craft when it is complete. So once the craft is complete, you will maybe want to give it to a gift to your family members or your friends, or maybe you're going to want to keep it for yourself. If you want to give it as a gift to your family members or friends, it could save you a little bit of money, or you could keep it to yourself and you could wear it as a bracelet. You don't have to worry about it rusting or getting gross with metal jewelry, or you could use it as a bookmark, or like maybe something you could put on your keychain. And so just as a review, today I talked about the basic materials that you'll need to create a friendship bracelet. I talked to you about the bracelet making technique itself, and lastly I talked about what to do once the craft is complete. And hopefully this information that I shared with you today will benefit you, and you could save a little bit of money hopefully, or maybe you found a new hobby. Thank you for listening.